Okay, so a problem that can be a bit confusing sounding at first, but if we take it piece by piece, it definitely simplifies it. In the xy plane, if 0, 0 is a solution to the system of inequalities above. So what that means is that if we plug in 0 for x and 0 for y, and here, that means it's a true statement. Which of the following relationships between A and B must be true? Well, and if I were to say that if I were to rewrite this, what that means is that if A, so yeah, if I rewrite this first problem where it's 0 is less than negative 0, which is just 0, I don't know why, I'm getting too fancy here, plus A, and then here we can rewrite it as 0 is greater than 0 plus B. And what we really see is that 0 is less than A, or A is greater than 0, and here we see 0 is greater than B, or B is less than 0. So what we see is that A here is a positive value, and then here negative is for B. B is a negative value, and the only thing here that makes sense for that is going to be A. If you were to plug, and you can create your own values here, right? We can say that A equals 1 and B equals negative 1. Let's just do that, right? And if we plug in for negative 1 here, that is not greater than 1, so that eliminates B. This would give us just 1 and 1 because they're absolute values. And then here we would have A being 1, and then is that equal to B, which is negative 1, negative of negative 1. That would actually still give us D as a possible answer. And at this point, you can try, at least we have it down to 2, and then you can try a new value where we say, let's say that this is negative 2. There's no rules here in regards to what it has to be other than B has to be less than 0. And what you can see is that that would no longer fit for D, whereas it would still work for A because 1 is definitely greater than negative 2.